Back at Jack Willencheck's office in downtown Phoenix, 3rd Street, and we've got some decent news to talk about in regard to Beijing Gardens, that Chef Tian was locked out. But I'm going to read you the minute entry that came in today. The court has received and reviewed tenant's motion for reconsideration. Landlord shall file a response on or before April 27, 2018. What does this mean for the chef and for Beijing Gardens? We're with Jack Willencheck. Jack, so tell us what's going on. Folks want to know about the Beijing Garden and their lawsuit.
Sure. So what we had today was a sign from the judge that he may reconsider his ruling on Friday. The problem with his ruling on Friday was he said that Chef Tian didn't extend his lease because he said 3 or 5 years for the extension. That was a 5-year lease. It was a 5-year extension. And this is Law School 101. That's treated like an offer. So if somebody offers to you 5 years and you say, well, I'll take 5 or 3, that's still a valid acceptance of the offer. What is it's an acceptance saying, yeah, I'll take the 5, but if you want 3, you can have it. The judge didn't think this through. He just said, well, it's not the same as the offer because you also offered a 3, therefore he didn't accept. He would be right if it was conditioned on the extra thing. So if I said to you, okay, I'll take 5 years, but I want a new fryer too. That's conditioning something. That's a condition. Here it wasn't conditioned. He said 5 or 3. He accepted the 5, period. He's saying, but if you want, you could have a 3 in the alternative. It's a request to change an agreement that they just made.
So you made a motion to reconsider, basically explain to the judge more as to why you think that the wrong decision was made. This minute entry today tells you what?
This says he may reconsider it because this is Law School 101 kind of stuff. This is basic kind of stuff. If I offer you A, you say I'll take A or B, you've got an agreement on A. And they can reject the B if they want to. Instead he said, you know what, you don't have an agreement at all, which doesn't make any sense, Tom. If I said to you, hey, you want to do lunch tomorrow, you say, sure, I'll do lunch tomorrow, or I can do it on Friday. We've got an agreement on tomorrow, maybe not Friday, but we've got an agreement on tomorrow. The judge didn't understand that.
I know you don't like to read the tea leaves, but we all do it. The judge could have just said no to your motion to reconsider. He didn't have to order them to do that. What do you get from that?
That's why I say it is a sign that he may change his ruling, and he really should. I think this is so basic.
If he doesn't change his ruling, now the other side has till Friday to answer your motion, and then he can take as long as he wants, but it sounds like he's going pretty fast here. If he doesn't change his ruling, then what?
He is going pretty fast here. If he doesn't change his ruling, then we take this to Court of Appeals. That's why we have a Court of Appeals, especially in basic issues like this. But I'd like to think the judge is going to take this seriously, spend the time on it, and make a good, quick ruling.
Message to the folks watching about Beijing Garden.
Sure, we're going to keep fighting for their rights, and he has a right to be there for 5 years.
Jack, thank you very much. Good job.
Absolutely.